Hey guys, on the occasion of Diwali festival, today I'm here at Diwali Mithai Mela, where there are hundreds of sweets. As you can see, there are also gift boxes, and I really wanted to try the sweets, but I wasn't allowed to since I didn't pay for them. I was curious what were in the gift boxes, but there was nothing inside it. So I kept looking around, and there were a lot of snacks and sweets, of course, since it's a Diwali Mithai Mela. And these are all traditional sweets, and yeah. And there are also gift baskets, gift packages of like dry fruits, and yeah. And also the most important thing, Happy Diwali to everyone. And there are also more gift boxes here, and more gift boxes, and there are also more gift boxes. And this is gulab jamun, and also petha. And also I got jalebi at the end, and when I tried them at home, they were really good. So that's the end. Okay, bye bye everyone. Have a good day.